How to increase Cash App loan limits. In this tutorial, you will learn step-by-step how to increase Cash App loan limits. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This will take you to the home page of the app. Once you are here, tap on the profile icon. It is this icon at the top right corner of the screen, as you can see here. This will take you to the profile section of your account. On this page, there are various options and sections that you can use to navigate and get access to different features of the app. From there, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. From there, scroll down. Continue scrolling until you reach the bottom of the page. At the bottom, there are more options. From them, tap on this one named Support. Kindly wait for the page to finish loading. This is the Cash App support page. On this page, there are various options and sections that you can use to get solutions to issues you face on the app. From them, look for one named Borrow. Once you see it, go to the Related Options section, where you will see more options that are connected to the Borrow feature. As you can see here, your Cash App borrow limit can increase based on how you use your account. Paying back any loans on time helps build trust. Regularly adding money to your Cash App and keeping a balance also shows activity, which can lead to a higher borrowing limit over time. So, if you have done all that and the loan limit has not been increased, then you need to contact support by coming to the bottom of the page and then tapping on the chat option that appears under Contact Us. Chat with the support team and explain to them the issue you are facing. They will respond to you with a solution. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to increase Cash App loan limits.